Okay, Marlon is bowling in a tournament and has the highest average after 5 games, with scores of 210, 225, 254, 231, and 280. In order to maintain this exact average, what must Marlon's score be for his 6th game? Okay, so we're dealing with averages here. So how do we have to find out, first of all, what his exact average is for the 5 games. So averages, then what we need to do is we need to add all his scores up and divide it by the number of games he played. In this case, it is five games. So you're going to add up the 210 plus 225 plus 254 plus 231, sorry for my sloppy handwriting here, 280, and we're going to divide that whole thing by 5. Now this I strongly recommend you do with a calculator. There's no points if you make a mistake by doing it in your head. So calculator, adding this all up, that will give you 1200 divided by 5 gives us 240. Okay, that's the average of the 5. Now you can do a bit of leap of logic here by thinking, okay, well, if this current average is 240, what must his score be for the 6th game to keep the average? It has to be 240. Any change in the 6th game would change the average. If you're not comfortable with that, and you really want to just figure this out algebraically, okay, you can add you can add up the next 5, these last 5 rather. That added up to 1200, we said, plus the 6th one, which we don't know what it is yet. Divide that by the total number of new games, which 5 plus 1 will make it 6, the 6th game, and it has to equal 240. Okay, so cross multiplying, running out of room here. Quickly, 240 times 6 is 1440. So then we've got 1200 plus x equals 1440. Subtract both sides, 1200 from 1, which then gives us x equals 240. So either way, the answer is J.